Today we're installing some snow guards on an ABM Panel steel roof. We're using the Levi's Snow Defender 4500 series. It comes in a plastic pouch to protect the powder-coated finish. So these snow guards do come with 2 pre-drilled holes for your fasteners to go into. Makes it really easy for install. They also come with this EPDM rubber seal on the back to keep the water from going into the shank of the screw. They are a powder-coated, real nice, durable powder coating finish on a stainless steel snow guard, very heavy duty. And we're gonna install them with a number 12 screw. That's due to manufacturer specs. They recommend a number 12. We do recommend using a drill driver instead of an impact wrench. So the impact can over tighten very easily, but it can also knock the paint off your screw heads as well. So this is a very just easy, safe way to install these snow guards. The other thing to keep in mind is when installing these, make sure that the blade portion of the snow guard goes upward so the snow slides into it. If you put them on opposite direction, they're going to bend right over and not hold your snow at all. And what you want to do, place it right in the middle of the ABM panel, right onto the 2x4 purlin. If you have purlins that are upright, you would need to use a different model snow guard. These are only designed for the flat purlins. The recommended installing pattern is on the bottom row, do every other rib right in the center, and then on this next row up, you'll put one every other rib, the opposite rib. So it just makes a staggered pattern. It looks good, it works really well for holding the snow, and it's what the manufacturer recommends.